Hey, so if you want to analyze sales reports in HubSpot in 2026 and get insights to improve your sales performance, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure you have access to sales reporting tools, which are available in most HubSpot plans. From the top menu, go to Reports, then click on Reports Home. This is where you'll find all your dashboards, custom reports, and sales analytics. Start by checking the sales dashboard. Here you can see an overview of deals, revenue, and activity metrics. This gives you a quick snapshot of performance across your team. Next, dive into individual reports. For example, look at deal forecast to see upcoming revenue based on deal stages, or sales activity to track calls, emails, and meetings completed by each rep. You can filter reports by time period, deal owner, pipeline, or region. Filters help you focus on the metrics that matter most and identify trends or areas needing improvement. Yeah, this part is really useful for decision making. Use custom reports to analyze specific data points. HubSpot lets you combine multiple properties like deal amount and close date to create tailored insights for your team or management. Visualize your data with charts, graphs, and tables. HubSpot makes it easy to compare performance across reps, stages, or campaigns at a glance. If you notice patterns like long sales cycles or low conversion rates, you can adjust strategies. For instance, follow up with stalled deals or reallocate resources to top-performing pipelines. Finally, schedule reports to be sent automatically to your email or team members. This keeps everyone updated without having to log in manually every time. And that's it. By exploring dashboards, using filters, creating custom reports, and monitoring key metrics, you can analyze sales reports in HubSpot effectively and make smarter sales decisions. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.